Hello. In this video, you will learn how to implement the 4 Rs of the rapid development in Storyline 360. Redesign. To redesign content in Storyline 360, you import existing PowerPoint files to quickly create your course. You then add interactivity using triggers and states to transform static information into engaging scenarios and interactive assessments. Record. Storyline 360's record feature saves time by capturing SME knowledge directly through screen recordings for interactive simulations or by recording audio for narration. It also has a text-to-speech feature to generate audio from scripts instantly. Republish. To republish in Storyline 360, you simply publish to HTML5 to ensure your course is accessible on any device. You can then use Review 360 to get feedback from stakeholders quickly. Rebuild. Breaking down courses into microlearning. This art is about taking a large, lengthy course and breaking it down into smaller, more focused nuggets that are easier for learners to consume and retain. And that's it. A simple way to create how to implement the 4 Rs of rapid development in Storyline 360. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.